Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1429th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com, but let's tell you what's going on. Futures trading, as we know, is extremely risky, causes substantial financial loss, is not suitable for all traders, is very dangerous. Make sure you know what you're doing and you've got risk capital if you're going to trade futures. This video, 1429, is coming at you on a Monday night for trading Tuesday, Jan 26th, 2016. Traders, we're looking at gold this evening. Where we left off in gold with our last series of videos is I showed you this cup and handle, and it's either a handle, a cup, as you can see in the red, and handle, which would be right here defined in blue, or it's a bull flag, call it either of the two. This is how we were looking at this. I told you it's either going to be a bull flag or a cup and handle, both being bullish. Call it either way, it's a bullish look. That was about 4 days ago, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we delete these 4 days off, I'll show you what it looks like now. And that's what it looked like when we called this a cup and handle, or, if you will, a bull flag. And this is what happened since. These bars filled in, we rallied up, and this is looking quite good for a rally up towards that 200 bar moving average. I love the look of gold. Then, traders, we look at the weekly in gold, and we see that the weekly is starting to break out of this channel. Now, last time it did that, it did tend to fail. But if you'll notice, it tried to get out of the channel and could not, came all the way to the bottom. Tried to get out, came all the way to the bottom. Tried to get out and did not make it to the bottom. Tried to get out again. That's bullish, kids, whether you know it or not. That's bullish. Now, is this a bear flag right here? Well, maybe it's a bear flag on the weekly, but we can't play it as a bear flag until we know it to be a bear flag. So what we can do is, because each one of these bars represents a full week's worth of time, we can day trade our OMNI while we're waiting for the possibility of this being a bear flag. So for now, we're going to use this for day trading purposes, like I showed you on the daily. We'll take it out to the weekly. We like to break out above the channel. And then there's this, traders. The Russell 2000. Remember this chart? I've been showing it to you for quite some time now. In this chart, I made a projection for you. The projection was first we'd hit 975 based on this head and shoulders formation, and then we'd go to 832. So we hit down to 975, got a little bit of a buy signal since then. As of the close Monday afternoon, that buy signal has now started to fade, and it looks like the Russell will start to head back down. Now, some of you who watch my videos have a tendency to be little bitches, little complaining bitches, and you listen to every word I say just to find one word to come and go, Oscar told you you're a loser, blah, blah, blah. Let me just tell you, first of all, grow up. Stop being little bitches. If I seen you in person, I'd slap you all around like the bitches you are. But because you've got internet muscles and you're afraid to come see me in person, I'll show you that you're absolutely incorrect about telling me I'm wrong. Look at the way the market is acting. And as far as trading today, we got long Russell, had a $700 profit in the trade. If you did not take it, it is not my fault. I don't know what to tell you if you don't like $700. But then you little bitches come and complain on my video like little children. I mean, unbelievable. Grow up. The idea in this game is to win, not be right. I don't care where this market settles after I get out of a long trade. If it turns around and goes lower, I don't give a shit about that as long as the Omniac scored that day. So you little bitches can just keep watching us as we have decent trades and we get down to 832. But I will say, why bother watching my videos if you little bitches don't like me? I mean, seriously, or at least have the guts to come visit me and say these things to me in person and see what happens. But instead, you write your little internet notes with your little internet muscles, and instead of joining forces with me, you're missing out on fantastic Omni calls. So instead of fighting with me, I offer you an olive branch. Come join me. Don't fight with me. See what it is I do when I handle these trades live at livewithoscar.com. If you simply just go to livewithoscar.com, if you don't like what you see after a few days, then I'll listen to you and your little bitch comments. But if you're not willing to even come out and see how I handle these trades, keep your little bitchy comments to yourselves, all right? I mean, come on, be professional here. We rock these markets just about every day. If you're not willing to rock them with us, then you can sit there and just keep complaining. The olive branch has been extended. Come join me at livewithoscar.com. Join me in my free trading room and allow me to help you with these markets instead of fighting against me. For the rest of you Omniacs, thank you so much for your participation. I love the way you've been following the trades. The little bitch today, or the little bitches, didn't realize that you're supposed to get out of the trade after it wins, and they hold me to every single move in the market. Whatever. You Omniacs who know what we're doing, keep staying focused. Don't listen to the little bitches who write in the videos, and follow the Omni. I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com. Remember, traders, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with that is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Complaining, crying bitches are out. Rock and roll, traders, put your stops in and make sure you visit me at livewithoscar.com.